I'm Pablo. I'm visual designer at heyData. During the rebranding process, my role was basically coordinating all the visual part of the rebrand, make sure that all the new system was consistent, was scalable, and was usable. We started the process exploring three main different visual directions. Once we decided the one that felt right for the company, we started refining it. Probably the biggest challenge was finding the perfect balance between what represents the history of the company and also what represents the direction we want to move towards. We wanted to include new colors, but we also wanted to incorporate a little bit our traditional green color, which is probably the most distinctive identity of the company. We wanted to be more technological. At the same time, we wanted to keep the human touch that heyData always had. You can see this, for example, in the typography. We mixed two new typefaces, one that is more human with one that is more technological. Probably one of the topics that created more heated debates was the logo. Of course, the icon is super important. It's the first thing that you will see of a brand. We created very different directions of it, some very innovative that move very, very far away from what we were in the past. But I always thought that how we presented ourselves should take the legacy of the company and pushed it into a new direction. Something that felt new, but also something that felt like home. Engineered, but also approachable. Something that is modular, translating this new concept of heyData, modularity when you're building compliance. I feel proud of what we have achieved. Now that you assemble all the puzzle and you see, oh wow, this really makes sense. If I could go back in time, I would tell myself, don't be scared of testing, trying, iterating, going crazy, but with a reasoning why. Because a rebranding is not reinventing the wheel. A rebranding is doing something that makes sense for the brand and something that makes sense for where the brand wants to go next.